Ever wondered what it's like to own a bulldog? Imagine a potato with legs and an attitude. These adorable tanks are built for love, not speed. Running? Rare. Sleeping? Frequent. Snoring? Uncontrollable exercise? Minimal. Drama? Maximum. If you own a bulldog, just accept that your daily walks might include mandatory nap breaks. Let's talk about these wrinkles.
Are you kidding me,
Cute?
bro?
Absolutely. But they also need cleaning, or your dog will start smelling. Mysterious speaking of which, if your bulldog snores like a chainsaw, don't be alarmed. Their squishy faces make breathing an extreme sport. And don't let their size fool you.
Are you okay?
Bulldogs are the kings of selective hearing. If they don't want to move, good luck convincing them. Bulldogs might look like tough guys, but they're just big babies who want cuddles, snacks, and to make you do all the work. And honestly, we wouldn't have them any other way.